Today we're going to assemble the Saplings Katie crib, and to show us how it all goes together, please let me introduce Heather. Let's begin by taking the two shorter support bars and the two legs with the metal inserts. Place them as shown. Pay particular attention to the angle of the feet and the direction of the holes circled. Remember, we're working on the legs that have the metal inserts in them. Now place a barrel nut in the hole at each end of the support bars. Then align the barrel nuts so the slot in the barrel nuts is in line with the support bar. Now turn over one of the legs as shown and place a bolt through the leg and into the support bar and screw it into the barrel nut. Repeat this for the remaining barrel nuts. Don't tighten at this stage, but leave the bolts finger tight. Your leg assembly should now look like this. Now lay out the longer support bars and the legs without the inserts as shown. We assemble these in exactly the same way as we assembled the first leg assembly. You should now have two leg assemblies, one narrower than the other. Now position them both as shown. The narrower leg assembly with the metal inserts is on the left. Now pass the narrower leg assembly into the other assembly to make a cross. Now take a washer and place it over the nut insert as shown. Align the nut insert and the washer with the hole in the other frame. Pass a small bolt through that hole through the washer and screw it into the nut insert and tighten off with an Allen key. Now carefully close up the frame and turn it upside down so we can now work on the other side. We want to repeat what we did on the other side by taking a washer, placing it over the central nut insert and aligning it with the central hole in the other leg assembly. Pass the bolt through the leg assembly and through the washer, screw it into the nut insert and tighten off with an Allen key. Now take a locking pin and screw it through the frame into the remaining nut insert. We can now bring the frame upright onto its feet. Now the frame is upright, we can screw in the remaining locking pin. Now go round all the support bars and turn them so the barrel nuts are facing downward. We now need to go round all the bolts on the frame and tighten with an Allen key. It's very important that while the crib is in use, that we check the tightness of all the bolts periodically to make sure that none of the nuts and bolts have come loose. Now take the crib liner and drape it over one of the support bars as shown, and zip up the side of the crib liner so that it is secured around the support bar. And repeat this for the other side of the crib liner on the other support bar. Now take a fabric strap and loop it around one of the support bars as shown. Take the two ends of the strap and pass it through the pocket at the end of the liner, and then pass it around the other support bar and tie it off in a bow. Then pull the strap back through so the bow is hidden in the pocket of the liner. And we need to repeat this process on the other side using the other strap. Now take the crib base and place it into the bottom of the crib liner. Pay attention to which way up the base goes. Your Katie crib is now ready for its mattress, and also for its little guest. Thank you for watching.